Hi everyone, LH One of a Kind here, and today we're unboxing the Barbie Wellness Doll Self-Care. So in front, you can see there's a lot of little things you get extra with this Barbie. A little puppy, a foot spa, a little bath bombs, and some other accessories. At the back of the box is little pictures of what you have to do, a little hair dryer, a foot tap. Let's open the box. I must admit, this is a beautiful Barbie. She got a different face as a normal Barbie. And that's what I like about it, because most of the Barbies have the same face. The hands can bend and the elbows can bend. And the knees can bend. And she got slippers on and a beautiful gown. Look at all the accessories you get with. Wow. So in the packet there's a beautiful bath bombs, little roses, a candle holder, some brushes, face brushes, a little puppy with a bow, foot tap, a face brush and face cloth, something for your eyes, and little ducky. All these are beautiful. So all these accessories are very beautiful. I love this Barbie. Like, of course, she's different from the others and she looks different. And of course, she got some articulation. Thank you, and her hair is nice and long, and thank you for watching.